guys, welcome back to It's Just Another Shilling. I am Teresa and I am so glad you're here. Today I have something a little different for you. I have what I buy. We do our grocery shopping every other week, but usually we do it for 3 weeks worth of time. I buy my groceries so that I can do some freezer cooking so we can have good healthy meals. And then just the normal standard staple stuff that you need in your house, you know, bananas, stuff like that. So come along and join me. I'll show you what we got. So I'm just going to give you a brief overhaul of everything that I purchased. A lot of this is for the meals. A lot of this isn't for the meals. It's for normal stuff, you know, like the yogurt. But let's get started. So funny thing about my kids, they only eat 100% whole wheat bread. So I got a whole entire, I think 3 loaves of that. These mini bell peppers were $1.99 each. I couldn't pass them up. I do something where I grill them up. You'll actually see that in a previous vlog where I just take these, salt and pepper them, throw them on the grill. They're really, really good. We always need peanut butter. Our kids are into a huge thing where they like peanut butter and chocolate, and so we make them Nutella sandwiches on a regular basis. I got 2 packs of blueberries. They were $1.99 each. And then I got 2 packs of strawberries. These were 99 cents each. I would have gotten more, but there was a lady standing next to me that I think bought like 25 of them. It was crazy. Here we have 2 pounds of carrots. The carrots were $1.99 for 2 pounds, so I got 2 bags of those. Some of these are going to go into a dinner with a pot roast. Some of these are actually just going to be eaten with the dill dip recipe that I showed you in a previous video. I got some pears. They were 59 cents a pound. They're really, really good. Yeah. Right here I have 5 dozen eggs. Now I know that seems like a lot of eggs. There are only 6 people in our family. When we do buy groceries, we try to buy them for every 3 weeks or a month if I can get away with it. I'm going to be making a whole bunch of breakfast burritos with these. I also have this recipe for a breakfast casserole that I really... I'm going to be making a bunch of breakfast... Stop it, please. I'm going to be making a bunch of breakfast burritos with these, and I also have a recipe in a new cookbook that I just got for an egg casserole, breakfast casserole, so we're going to try that. And then also I'm making biscuits and gravy, and I like to have a sunny side up egg whenever I eat those. I got 3 boxes of the multigrain Cheerios. These are the only Cheerios my kids will eat. We're trying a new thing in our house where we're going to stay away from the junk food a little bit a while. So I gave these a go. They really like them. My almost 2-year-old will eat them as a snack, so I went with it. I don't have them all out, but I bought 4 gallons of milk. That's enough milk to last us a whole entire month. And sometimes we usually end up giving it away or putting it in other things. And then the last thing I got were these flowers. My daughter picked them out because they're pink. Yep. She loves the pink, and so we went ahead and bought them for her today. Every single time I go out, I like to take one of my children with me just so that we can have some mommy time. It's really fun. They really enjoy it. So she wanted pink flowers as her treat, so that's what we got her. This was all purchased at Jewel. Now I'm going to show you what I got at Walmart. So this is the Walmart side of my table. I'm going to start right here. I got a couple bunches of radishes. I saw this recipe for ranch radishes. I just had to try. It's where you roast them with ranch dressing and radishes. There's a couple other seasonings in there too, so I figured out I would show you those. I got a bag of jasmine rice and a bag of brown rice. I like mixing these 2 rices together. If I had my way, I would have jasmine rice all the time. However, we also like brown rice in our house, so I went ahead and got both of them. I got a bottle of Bragg's liquid aminos. This is sort of like soy sauce alternative. I had another bag and I had another bottle, and interestingly enough, it fell and spilled all over my floor, so I had to get a new bottle. There's a can here of pineapple chunks. They're in their pineapple juice. This is for a pineapple chicken. Sorry about the background noise, guys. My kids have all decided they need to spend some quality time with me in the kitchen. Cream of tartar because I was out of cream of tartar. Horseradish. There was actually a bigger jar of horseradish, but I went ahead and went with this one mainly because we don't eat horseradish very often. I saw it in the recipe, so I got just a teeny tiny little jar. Great Northern beans, or like a white pinto bean. I have unsweetened applesauce. I'm going to make some apple muffins with that. 2 packs of baking soda. We have baking soda in our kitchen all the time just to cover the scents. We also keep it in our bathroom. We use it in the bathtub. Sometimes when the kids get a little bit of diaper rash, we go ahead and use that to neutralize. I thought I was buying the big pasta sauce jars, but I ended up buying the small ones on accident, so I have 4 of those. We really like the Great Value pasta sauce. It's sugar-free and it tastes delicious, so we might as well get it. 2 jars of dill pickles. I have a little girl in my life that loves dill pickles. She's right there. Can you smile? She is right there. She loves the dill pickles. I bought 2 of them just for her. I have right here 3 pounds of pork sausage. I bought this, it's a breakfast sausage. I bought it for my breakfast burritos, and I also bought it for a casserole that I'm going to do, and then also my biscuits and gravy. So we'll see how that goes. I found a 5-pound bag of apples. I have a recipe that I want to try. It has 1 apple in it, but we love Red Delicious apples. My kids can eat this whole bag in one day. And yes, there are only 4 of them. I got 2 things of just regular mozzarella string cheese. This is a favorite in our house. It's a good treat. I don't mind when my kids snack all day when they're eating things like string cheese and apples. For another recipe, the biscuits and gravy, it has yeast and it literally says 4 flavors, so it's nothing but flavor in there. I'm going to try it once with it and once without and see how I like it, but that's what the yeast is for. We got some for sandwiches. We got some cheddar cheese and some Kobe Jack, some honey smoked ham, or turkey, and some honey smoked ham. Now we did the Walmart online order, and these 2 both got switched out. I'm not really happy with it, but I asked my husband and he said he was perfectly okay with it, so we went ahead and kept it. This, guys, is a jicama. I'm going to show you a little bit about this. This is actually for a breakfast casserole. If you've never had a jicama before in your life, it's like a radish almost. You can cut it up and eat it raw. It cuts into beautiful strips and tastes fantastic with dip. Or you can shave it and it gives you the crunchiness of a potato without all the carbs of it. I got 6 cucumbers for a cucumber salad. I got 15 bananas because that's pretty much how many we can go through in a day. I went ahead and got 24 yogurts. I have one child that has to have peach all the time. I want peach, I want peach, I want peach. So I got her some peach yogurt, and then for everyone else I got them strawberry and strawberry banana. Right here I got a baby doll and a Minnie Mouse. They must have decided that they wanted to be in the vlog also. Right here I have some egg whites. These are for some French toast. I'm going to make some French toast that are low carb and in the freezer, so all I have to do is pop them into the toaster whenever I want them. I have behind them almond milk. Now you see, oh, they gave me the wrong one. I ordered 2 almond milk. They were both supposed to be unsweetened. One of them is vanilla, which I'm going to have to try. Maybe they'll use that for baking. The other one is a replacement. I ordered the Great Value brand and they didn't have it, so they gave me the unsweetened almond milk. I put this in my tea. I drink it in my smoothies. I have it all the time. It's really, really good. This one, I guess we're gonna just try it in the baking. I don't really like the sweetened or the flavored almond milk. It's not really fun for me. But we'll try it, and if I don't like it, I will go to Walmart and complain. I'm trying these for the first time. These are Wassa crackers. I have a recipe for chicken with Wassa crackers on it. It's like a buffalo chicken salad, so I figured that would be really, really good. I've never had Wassa crackers before, so I'm excited to try them. I have some lime juice here. The lime juice. I have some lime juice here. This is for another one of my recipes that I have. I can't think off the top of my head which one it's for, but I definitely have it. And then my husband specifically asked for bran flakes. What's really funny is I like Raisin Bran. He doesn't like Raisin Bran because there's no raisins in it, and I don't like bran flakes because there's no raisins in it. So we sort of kind of compromise. He gets the bran flakes and I make a whole bunch of other things. I also have 3 packs of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I totally didn't put on the table. So that's it.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I did. It's really fun to see what people buy for the week. Please be sure to thumbs up, like, and subscribe my video, and share it. Please do share it. And we will see you next week. Bye now. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoy.